So when you take an industry class, seminar, or workshop, what do you hope to get out of it? A nugget of information, maybe some help with your technical expertise? Well, for some, industry education is a big game changer for their career. And today, to prove it, we have with us Samantha Gonzalez, who's the Environmental Services Supervisor at Commander Nursing Center in Hartsville, South Carolina, along with Branton Cerro, who's the Director of Education and Training with ISSA. So, Brant, let's start with you. I believe you have something to share.
Yeah, Jeff, I had an opportunity to go to Baltimore, Maryland recently for our CMI Supervisor and Management Boot Camp. And you never know what you're going to uncover when you're in person and traveling and who you're going to meet. And honestly, Samantha here brought me to tears in the class. And often, we get so busy in our day-to-day operations and what we do for a living, we sometimes forget the impact that we make as people to other people, brands make to individuals or organizations at large. And, I got to meet Samantha and 15 other individuals. But one of the things that Samantha said brought the entire class to give her a round of applause and encourage her because we were just so proud of her. So I asked Samantha to really just share her journey in her career and what opportunities really came to her from taking courses from industry associations like ISSA. So Jeff, that's why we're here today. I was just so excited to help Samantha share her story and encourage others to follow in her footsteps.
Well, I can't wait to hear it. Samantha, why don't you share with us your story of your journey and what you received from education classes like you attended in Baltimore?
Okay, so I was a custodian at an elementary school for over a decade. And I discovered these classes because we were having issues that we couldn't figure out how to take care of, mainly boys' bathroom smells and some floor care issues. So as I was researching online, I discovered the Worldwide Cleaning Association and their classes. My school district was not interested in investing in these classes. So I started with the Train the Trainer class and went to Philadelphia. This was a little over 2 years ago. And I got so much out of it. I mean, I've been cleaning for such a long time. I really thought I knew it all. Turns out there's a lot I didn't know. And things that I was doing wrong, which really helped explain why we were still having bathroom smell issues. I learned so much from those classes that I decided to do the boot camp in Orlando several months later. Again, that was a fantastic class and I learned a lot. My school district still isn't really invested in what I've learned. So I reached out and I started looking for other positions. And within a year of getting my certifications, I more than doubled my income. And it's really made a huge difference in my life. These classes have really changed my life.
Samantha, what would you tell others that are looking for ways to grow in their career? What are some words of wisdom you'd like to provide them?
Don't give up. Use the wealth of knowledge you learn from these classes to move forward. If your current employer doesn't see the value, there are many out there who actually do.
So what are your plans then for the future? More classes, or do you plan to teach these classes now for Brant?
I'm not sure if I would be good at teaching these classes. Wouldn't rule that out altogether. I'm just not sure I'm ready for that. I really do currently love where I'm at, but again, my resume is still open on Indeed, and people still reach out to me regularly, and we'll see where we go from there.
I think it's a fantastic story that you were working in a job, you took some classes, some workshops, got some certifications, and people take notice. Companies and organizations take notice, and they want you to work for them. So, Brant, I got to say, it's great that you're offering this opportunity through CMI and helping people like Samantha to grow in their career.
Yeah, and it really keeps you grounded, Jeff. I mean, it just goes to show the work that ISSA is doing for the industry, and to go back to our brand promise of changing the way the world views cleaning, truly making an impact and a difference in industry professionals' lives are why we come to work every day.
Absolutely.